Hey guys, welcome to a new unboxing video with me, Animal Company Fan. Today we're gonna be opening these and this. Wish me luck. Let's start with this. Oh, something behind. Guys, wish me luck so I can get something good. I don't really know what these are. Guys, I don't know what this is. Alright. I don't know what this is either. Guys, are you guys ready? 3, 2. Oh my god, guys. I got one that I kind of wanted. I got Blanco. I got Blanco, guys. And what does this little bag says? Oh, good thing I didn't see this, because this tells what is this. Let's go with the next one, the Disney one. Also guys, if you guys keep want to see unboxing videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Yup. Alright guys. Alright, I'm excited. Oh my god, whatever this thing is, I swear. Oh my god. It's a little house. Guys, I'm ready to see what it is. Are you guys ready? If you guys are ready, I'm gonna open it. Are you guys ready? Yes? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I got one that I wanted. You guys are not gonna imagine what it is. It is a dinosaur. Hey Gib, what happened to his arms? Oh, that's why this is here. Now I understand. Well, let's put his arms on first. Oh my god, bro. He looks so funny with his arms. I was like, oh wait, what the sick? Imagine a 20-25% thing with a Sigma. That'd be crazy, right guys? Crazy. What the Sigma? Yeah, I think I just said it, right? Oh my gosh. Now let's open the negotiation. Oh my gosh, bro. Damn, this thing is sick. This thing is sick, guys. Like, I swear it's sick. It's sick as hell, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the... Oh my god, guys. I just lost the bag. Not a joke. I lost the box. I mean, get it. Guys. I don't know what this last piece is for. You guys are gonna be saying, what last piece? This last piece. I don't know what this is for technically. It's like a little coffee. Are you supposed to put in his arms? Well guys, I don't know what to do with the coffee, so yep. I'm just gonna... Well, this is what we got for today. It opens windows. And we also got this. Well, guys, thank you for this video today. Bye-bye.